Spending hours trying to design the perfect thumbnail that still doesn't get clicks? That's where an AI YouTube thumbnail generator comes in. With an AI YouTube thumbnail generator, you can create eye-catching, high-converting thumbnails in minutes, without needing design skills or expensive software. Stick around, in this video, we're diving deep into the 6 most powerful AI YouTube thumbnail generators that could revolutionize your YouTube strategy forever. In this video, I will be reviewing each AI YouTube thumbnail generator and all the features of each one. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, you already know that thumbnails are absolutely everything. They're the difference between a video that gets 10 views and one that gets 10 million. But here's the problem most creators face. Creating eye-catching thumbnails is expensive, time-consuming, and requires design skills that frankly, most of us don't have. That's where artificial intelligence comes in to save the day. These AI YouTube thumbnail generators are completely changing the game. They allow anyone to create professional-looking thumbnails in seconds, not hours. But with so many options flooding the market, which ones actually deliver results? I've spent the last month testing dozens of AI thumbnail tools, and today I'm sharing the top 6 that genuinely impressed me. Before we jump in, let me ask you something. How much time do you currently spend creating thumbnails? If it's more than 15 minutes per video, you're about to have your mind blown by what these tools can accomplish. And if you're still using basic design software or worse, just screenshots from your video, well, you're about to discover why your view counts aren't where you want them to be. Let's start with number 6 on our list, and trust me, even the 6th place tool is incredibly powerful. This is Canva's AI Thumbnail Generator. Now, you might be thinking, wait, isn't Canva just a regular design tool? Well, they've integrated some serious artificial intelligence features that make thumbnail creation almost effortless. What makes Canva's AI special is its understanding of YouTube's algorithm preferences. When you input your video topic, the AI suggests layouts, color schemes, and text placements that historically perform well on the platform. Machine learning analyzes millions of successful thumbnails to recommend what works. Plus, their background removal tool is surprisingly accurate, and the AI can generate custom graphics that match your content theme. The downside? It's not specifically built for YouTube thumbnails, so sometimes the suggestions feel generic. Also, the free version has limited AI features, and you'll need the Pro subscription to unlock the full potential. But for beginners, it's an excellent starting point that won't overwhelm you with options. Moving to number 5, we have Thumbnails AI, and this one caught me off guard with its simplicity and effectiveness. What I love about this tool is that it's laser-focused on one thing: creating YouTube thumbnails that convert. The artificial intelligence has been trained specifically on high-performing YouTube thumbnails across different niches. Here's what's impressive. You simply describe your video content, and the AI generates multiple thumbnail variations automatically. It understands psychological triggers like curiosity gaps, emotional expressions, and color psychology. The tool even suggests optimal text sizes and positions based on mobile viewing statistics, which is crucial since most YouTube traffic comes from phones. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, even for complete beginners. However, the customization options are somewhat limited compared to more advanced tools. You're working within templates rather than having complete creative freedom. But honestly, for most creators, this constraint is actually beneficial because it prevents you from making common design mistakes. Number 4 is where things get really exciting: Photor's AI Thumbnail Generator. This tool combines artificial intelligence with professional design principles in a way that genuinely surprised me. The AI doesn't just generate random thumbnails, it creates designs that tell a story visually. When you upload your content details, Photor's AI analyzes your niche and suggests thumbnail styles that perform well in that specific category. Gaming channels get different recommendations than cooking channels, which makes complete sense but is something many tools overlook. The facial expression suggestions are particularly clever, as the AI recommends emotions that statistically drive higher click-through rates. What really sets Photor apart is its batch processing capability. You can generate dozens of thumbnail variations in minutes, which is perfect for split testing. The AI also provides performance predictions, estimating how well each design might perform based on historical data. The main weakness is that it requires a learning curve to master all the features. Also, the subscription cost is higher than some alternatives. Now we're getting to the heavy hitters. Here we go. Number 3 is Midjourney, and yes, I know it's not specifically a thumbnail generator, but hear me out. This AI image generator has become incredibly popular among YouTube creators for good reason. The quality of images it produces is absolutely stunning, often indistinguishable from professional photography. The key with Midjourney is learning how to craft prompts that generate thumbnail-worthy images. You need to specify aspects like dramatic lighting, engaging facial expressions, and YouTube thumbnail style in your prompts. The results can be absolutely mind-blowing when done correctly. I've seen creators generate thumbnails that look like they cost hundreds of dollars to produce. The challenge is that Midjourney requires more skill and creativity from the user. You're not just clicking a button, you're essentially directing an AI artist. It also doesn't understand YouTube-specific requirements like text space or mobile optimization. But for creators willing to invest time in learning prompt engineering, the results can be extraordinary. Taking the number 2 spot is Thumbnail Test, and this one is brilliant for data-driven creators. What makes this tool special isn't just the AI generation capabilities, but the integrated testing features. The AI creates multiple thumbnail options, but then the platform actually tests them with real YouTube audiences to determine which performs best. Artificial intelligence learns from your specific audience's preferences over time. It tracks which colors, expressions, and layouts work best for your particular niche and viewer demographics. This means the thumbnails get more effective the longer you use the platform. The AI also provides detailed analytics about why certain thumbnails outperform others. The testing methodology is sophisticated, using statistical significance to ensure reliable results. However, the testing process requires patience, as you need meaningful sample sizes to get accurate data. It's also more expensive than simple generation tools because you're paying for the testing infrastructure. But for serious creators focused on optimization, it's incredibly valuable. And now for the number 1 AI thumbnail generator that absolutely blew me away: TubeBuddy's AI Thumbnail Generator. This tool combines everything we want in an AI solution: ease of use, powerful features, and deep integration with YouTube's ecosystem. What makes TubeBuddy's AI exceptional is its understanding of YouTube's algorithm and viewer psychology. The artificial intelligence has been trained on millions of successful YouTube thumbnails across every conceivable niche. When you input your video topic, it doesn't just generate pretty pictures. It creates thumbnails designed to maximize click-through rates specifically on YouTube. The AI considers factors like your channel's branding, your typical audience demographics, and even the time of day you usually publish. It suggests thumbnails that maintain visual consistency with your channel while still standing out in crowded feeds. The integration with YouTube Studio means you can generate, customize, and upload thumbnails without ever leaving the platform. But here's the game-changing feature. The AI provides real-time feedback on your thumbnail's predicted performance. It analyzes elements like color contrast, facial expressions, text readability, and composition to give you a performance score before you publish. This predictive capability is incredibly valuable for optimizing your content strategy. The tool also includes A/B testing functionality. It automatically rotates different AI-generated thumbnails to determine which performs best with your actual audience. Over time, the AI learns your audience's preferences and generates increasingly effective thumbnails tailored to your specific viewers. Now, you might be wondering which of these tools you should actually use. The honest answer is that it depends on your specific needs, budget, and skill level. If you're just starting out and want something simple, Canva or Thumbnails AI are excellent choices. For creators who want professional quality and don't mind a learning curve, Midjourney produces stunning results. Data-driven creators who want to optimize based on actual performance should definitely consider Thumbnail Test or TubeBuddy. The key is understanding that these AI tools aren't just about generating pretty pictures. They're about creating thumbnails that drive real business results. Here's something most creators don't realize. The best AI thumbnail generators are constantly learning and improving. The artificial intelligence behind these tools is analyzing millions of new thumbnails and performance data every day. This means the tools are literally getting smarter and more effective over time. But remember, even the most advanced AI is only as good as the input you provide. The more specific and detailed you are about your content, target audience, and goals, the better results you'll get. Don't just tell the AI to make a gaming thumbnail. Tell it you want a thumbnail for a Minecraft building tutorial targeting teenagers with high energy and bright colors. Another crucial point: while these AI tools are incredibly powerful, they work best when combined with your creativity and understanding of your audience. Looking toward the future, AI YouTube thumbnail generation is only going to become more sophisticated. We're already seeing tools that can generate thumbnails based on your video's actual content. Some platforms are experimenting with dynamic thumbnails that change based on the viewer's preferences and viewing history. The creators who embrace these AI tools now will have a significant advantage as the technology continues to evolve. They'll develop the skills to work effectively with AI while their competitors are still struggling with basic design principles. So here's my challenge for you. Pick one of these AI YouTube thumbnail generators and commit to testing it for the next month. Track your click-through rates, view counts, and subscriber growth. I guarantee you'll be amazed by the difference professional quality thumbnails can make for your channel's performance. Which AI YouTube thumbnail generator are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content creation insights that actually move the needle for your channel's growth. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you for watching.